So I broke down the air compressor even further. I'm still not able to get this off yet, the pulley, but I was able to get the heads off, and this side right here, it looks pretty bad. This side, the O-ring right here, let me turn it towards the light. The O-ring is in still, it's all there, but and there was water down here in the bottom, and over here there you can see where a lot of water has been and has rusted this complete up. I mean, it's pretty terrible. Here's the head to this side. Looks okay. And then the head from this side. A lot of rust. And up in there, a lot of rust. So I gotta do my research on this, just a little update. That's what we're looking like right now. I mean, everything looks like it functions okay. There's no rips. And this little seal right here, it's just extremely rusted. So I don't know the functionality of it. My personal opinion is junk, but you know, I'm gonna try to be faithful on this. I was able to clean the inside up a little bit better, but as of right now, this is what we're dealing with. So we'll do some more research on this thing and go from there. That's all for this video. Thank you.